I was sent this beautiful humidifier. I'm going to show you how to use it and do a full demo. But first, I just wanted to tell you when it arrives, you're going to find this blue tape on it. It can be kind of hard to see, so make sure you get every piece off, because before you do anything, you need to open up the bottom, and inside there is this little piece. So you do want to take that out before you start. I love that soothing blue color. This brand is so good. I have their steamer and I love it. So now let's go and fill it with some water. You'll notice it says don't put any oils in and don't put water in there, so the water goes around. So what I'm going to do is turn on the water first and then pop that in there. This is a 3-liter tank and it can provide up to 30 hours of cool mist, which is really great. Put the tank on top of that base and then just put the lid on. Very easy to do that. And now it comes with this plug, so we're going to plug it in. Here are the buttons on the front. We'll start with the on-off switch, and then we have our humidity level. Immediately you get that beautiful cool mist coming out. At the max level, it says you can raise your humidity in your room 10% in 20 minutes, which is crazy. So you have your levels here up to 3. And then you do have a sleep mode. If you were to put that on, you're gonna get rid of the screen so it won't keep you up at night. And look at it go. It's cool mist, so that means it's not warm. It's getting pretty misty in here. I do have it at a very high level. This is so great for a baby nursery if you have a lot of plants. If you just like to have your air feel a little more humidity, especially in the winter when you're running your heat and the air is so dry, these are great for that. I also like how quiet it is. You can barely hear it. When the room humidity is between 40 to 70%, you get a little smiley face icon. This is really neat. I love how simple it is to use. As a mom of 2 young kids, whenever they have a running nose or a cough, I immediately turn to a humidifier when they sleep, and it helps a lot. So I'm really excited for this, and I think you're gonna like it as well.